I think we are only at the beginning. Digitalization will change the whole production process, and we will have in future a new ecosystem.
Digitalizing is very important, especially using additive manufacturing. There is no written book, there are no written rules. We have adopted some of the elements already available, but most of the time we have to do it ourselves, implement techniques or methods which are particularly suited for industrialization of additive manufacturing.
Already a lot of things are going on in the German industry. There's a vision that we have very flexible, very autonomously acting machines or companies. We will see much more flexible production system integrated in the whole system of our economy. And this means the transformation will be quite substantial.
We have looked at existing industries like retail, how they manage their production, and now we are working towards integrating the design, the production and the data from post-production into it.
We created over the last years a huge awareness that digitization will be key for the future. Government plays a role, but not only government, it's chambers of commerce, it's regional governments, associations, they all work together in an ecosystem to support a good environment for developing the new kind of business.